here, folks. It is night one camping in the S2000 and the Porsche over there. We are on the California coastline just above Mendocino. And today we're gonna go out and check out Avenue of the Giants. Gonna go rip it up some more and have some fun. Need I say more? That section's good. Lots of car drone right now, you can probably hear that. We pretty much cruising drone RPMs the whole time, which is not the most fun. That's alright. Today we're making our way on over to the eastern part of California, at least more east than we are right now. Going out towards Lassen Peak and Bernie Falls area.
You can rewind all precious time. I can rewind, I can rewind. You fell